I'm out behind the Horticultural Science Building, Alderman Hall. We've got a little woods back here, and despite the protest of the crows, we're going to take a look here at two different types of growth. Growth in height, which we see happening in these annual herbaceous plants that have now died because of the frost, and growth in girth that's going to be happening in this woody perennial plant. Back to the herbaceous annual. We have really just one type of meristem that's working in this plant, and that is the apical meristem. And it's resulting in the plant getting taller. You'll notice this apical meristem became reproductive, so it's got determinate growth. But up until the point when this apical meristem became reproductive, all of the growth that resulted in the length of the stem happened as a result of the apical meristem. The plant stem is just about uniform in terms of its girth. It gets a little bit thicker toward the bottom, but this is primarily the result of cell elongation, and as the cells get fatter, the girth of the stem gets to be greater. So the only sort of meristem that we have operating in these annual plants is really the apical meristem that's adding length to the plant. Now contrast that to this woody species, and for the life of me I can't remember what this tree is, but we have just a little seedling here, and it certainly has an apical meristem that is increasing the length of the stem. But woody perennial plants also have another type of meristem called a lateral meristem. And the lateral meristem increases the girth of the plant continuously, so that we go from a little seedling that has a small stem like this to a mature tree with a much larger trunk.